Hello there, Escambia County Public Schools. Let's talk today about how you can create and use templates in Focus. They're going to help you streamline processes so that you get more time back in your day and personalize messages that you're sending to staff, students, and families. This helps build great relationships and open lines of communication. So let's go ahead and begin. Once you're in your communication module, click on Templates. This is going to bring up a list view of any template you've created or have access to use. A gentle reminder, access is profile specific. Clicking the grid right here is going to change it to a table view. It's up to you which one you like. So let's go back to our list view and then click the pencil. This allows us to compose a new template. I'm going to start by giving it a title. My example today is Perfect Attendance. I could use a letterhead if I would like, but I'm not going to for this example. Profiles. This allows you to assign this template to specific profiles. The school is going to default to all, but that's only your school that you have access to. And you could attach this template to a specific tab here. But again, this is a simple example. If I want this to be a secure email, I'm going to check this box. I could make it priority if I would like. Now, a log record is automatically added on the contact log screen when this is sent. And if I want users with the mobile app to receive a push notification, I'll click this here. So what I want to do is go ahead and give my template a subject line, which is Perfect Attendance. And then here, I've got lots of capabilities because this is a rich text editor. So I'm going to start by typing in Dear. And then I want to show you a really cool feature. I can add fields for personalization. Clicking the AB is going to bring up this screen. Now be patient, it does take some time to load. The magic of editing has made it much faster here for you. Now, be mindful about what information you're going to include because some of it may be sensitive. Before we go any further, I want to give you a Focus Pro tip. Click the box to keep this window open. That way, if you're inserting multiple fields like a first and a last name, the window doesn't shut and you have to redo the process. So I'm going to click on Student Demographics. And for my example, I want this to be very simple, so I'm only going to choose student's first name. You can see there are a ton of options here. So what you want to do is choose what works best for you. So I've chosen that first name, and then I'm going to go to the bottom and click Done. Now I'm going to type the rest of my message, and I want to insert a picture. In fact, I created something in Canva, so I'm going to click that, choose the file I created, click Open, and voila, it is now in my template here. You can see that it is visually appealing and does a great job of congratulating those students who have had perfect attendance. Something to celebrate. Clicking that red Save button is going to put this in my template inbox, and I can go back and edit it at any point in time. From my template box, I can go ahead and use this template. It's going to populate it in my Compose screen. If I'm already on my Compose screen, click my blue link that says Use a Template, or click the Use Template here. All of my options are going to appear. Choose the one I want, and now it's populated, allowing me to quickly and easily send. A different example of something that may need to be sent more than once is this failing grades template. You're going to see lots of fields that have been entered here for personalization, but no graphic. When we click Use this template, we have the ability to send this to the primary contacts of students or any student group that we've created here. Templates in Focus. Try them out and let Focus work for you. Thanks for joining the student data team for this Byte of Tech. Be sure to check out our recommended video that's here and fill out our content request form so we keep making videos just for you. Subscribe to our YouTube channel so you don't miss our new content, because we're all in.